Okay, working on a Samsung stove today. The complaint was that the power went off after using self-clean and the door stayed locked. So after doing diagnostics, it was found that the main control board had burned out. This piece is broken because it all melted in together with the wires, so the only way to get the board out is to break it. But after replacing the board, the display still didn't come on, so these other boards had to be replaced as well. So everything's assembled together and the power is back on and everything is working now. Previously this was blank and only the cooktop worked, so now everything is working and can be used again, but very important not to use self-clean to avoid this issue coming back. These parts look fine, but they're shorted inside, so there's no visible damage on them.